Hi, this is John Bowdy here at Stain and Seal University. I'm with Stony Creek Fence Company. Had an awesome time. One of my biggest takeaways was seeing it in person and seeing it how you can restore a whole wood fence that was old and looked crappy, and just be able to clean it and then be able to stain it was pretty eye-opening, and really excited to use the products this year and get to know them even better. Been to Stain and Seal University. I highly recommend coming out and seeing what they can do for you.
I'm Tony from Colorado Springs, Colorado, with Slap and Stain. Came down here to the conference for tips and tricks from many veterans in the industry to kind of start my business and take it to the next level.
I heard all these knowledgeable people were going to come, so I just had to take advantage of the opportunity. I'm really thankful for their Facebook group. Everyone there, super knowledgeable, like I said. After finding out just about a week ago they were having this, I just had to come down all the way from New Jersey. So yeah, thanks Caleb, appreciate it.